Could someone explain what is incorrect? Okay, let's have a look. It says, my child returns homework to me and the problems that were circled in green indicate that the number in the rectangle is incorrect. I have looked at this for about 10 minutes and genuinely want to know if I am missing something. I don't know what's going on either, so let's just go over two questions here. I'm going to go over this one. 785 plus 84, and this is about estimate the value by rounding each number. So I'm not just going to add them up and then round at the end. I'm going to round the numbers along the way. So right here, here's the problem. You don't know which place that you're rounded to. And the direction doesn't say that either. Because if you were going to run this to the 10th place, what you do is you look at the next number, which is a 5. Remember, if it's a 5 or above, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it goes up by 1. So you can just make that into 790. And again, if you follow the same rule, if you are running to the 10th place, you look at the next number. This is a 4, so you just kind of round it down, right? So this becomes just 80. And then just go ahead and add them up. 790 plus 80, you get 870. This is totally okay. This is correct. However, though, the question is, why is this marked wrong? Right? This is wrong and this is wrong. Well, again, the issue that I mentioned earlier is that we don't know, and the direction doesn't say that either. We don't know which place that we're rounded to. It seems like to me, the direction wants us to round it to the 100th place. So the idea is that if you kind of round it, you could also have done this right here. So you look at the next number, which is 8. Remember, 5 or above, you go up. So this right here shall be 800. And this right here, you don't have the 100th place. Well, if you do, then perhaps you can say that's 100, but this was not circled, so I assume this is correct. So it's just 800 plus 80 is equal to 880. But again, the direction doesn't say that. So I was thinking about that, however, if you look at this question, 674, and the student just answered yes, 670, because he rounded to the 10th place. It's a 4 right here, so it just goes down, right? 439, if you look at this place, the next number is a 9, so it goes up by 1, so this becomes 440. And then if you do 670 minus 440, you get 230. There was no green circle on this, so I assume that this is correct. So again, I have no idea like which place that we're supposed to round to, and the direction doesn't say that, and the grading is inconsistent. Maybe the teacher graded this right here. Maybe the teacher was supposed to circle this, and circle this, and circle this, but I have no idea. So this is definitely something that you have to take it to the teacher and have the teacher clarify that what place that we're supposed to round it to.